Hi, I'm Chris French from French Electrical. Started working in smart home technology 20 years ago perhaps, when C-Bus first originated in New Zealand. Over the years it's definitely changed from just setting it up and leaving it for the client. Now the client wants to be more interactive. They're definitely wanting an app. They want to be able to use their phone to be able to turn on and off their lights, turn on and off their TV, and just even look at cameras and things like that. Everything is definitely gone the phone-based way. Iconic's our go-to product for renovations or new home builds. There's a lot of R&D behind it. We can put standard Iconic in a place, and then someone decides they want to put Wiser Smarts in. It's just a matter of popping the neck out and replacing it. We can create two ways where there weren't two ways before. At this house we had a lot of single switches. Rather than running extra cabling, it was just as easy to put in a couple of Wiser mechs and then program them so that they both come on together. The area where we're talking about, the roof was really low. It was going to be really hard to get wiring in there and very labour intensive. Whereas with the two smart mechs, this whole procedure was finished within an hour. We upskilled ourselves in Wiser with the approved installer program. We just go online. There was a few modules that we had to do. At the end of the day, it brought a lot of our guys up to speed real quickly. We just moved into a new house 2 or 3 months ago. It was all conventional wiring. So it was kind of like the natural progression to put automation. With the lighting, we've managed to do the whole indoor-outdoor sequence. So I've actually got outdoor lights connected to the Iconic socket, which is programmed, which then also through an automation, I've set some other lights that are already switched from inside to turn on as well at the same time.
My name's Andrew and I've been an electrician for 3 years. So the upgrade from 600 series to Iconic I find is much easier. The 600 series, swapping the mechs out was always a hassle, trying to pop them out. With the new Iconic, you just slide out the green tab and put the new one in. Just real easy to swap it out.
Commissioning Wiser is really easy. All you need is your cell phone. You set up at home using the Wiser hub, and then literally just a matter of pushing a plus button. They almost add themselves automatically. It's that simple. Just name it and then happy days. Wiser can offer customers a lot, and it's always evolving. The security side of it, we've got new IP cameras now, we've got indoor cameras, and then the safety side of it, we've got water sensors that if there's a leak, it lets you know straight away. Humidity sensors, and it's constantly building. It's a great R&D setup going on here. I think there's still a lot of scope in the electrical industry. I don't believe we're ever going to get rid of wires. For me, the exciting part is bringing everyone into the new age, and I guess that's with Wiser and things like that. We're actually now using phones on a lot more houses than what we would have ever done before. It's just constantly innovating. The future of electrical is great.